Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day, and I just received my LumiSpa. Really excited to use it. Also have the normal and combo cleaner, and really looking forward to seeing how this works. So I was watching some videos, talking to my friend who told me about it, and really excited. I have a link set up where you can get these at a bit of a discount too, so if you're interested you could check it out. But so I was watching the videos and I was told to put a quarter size amount in the middle, so there you go. And now it does 30-second increments, or quadrants. So it's got this button, you turn it on, and here we go. Let's try it out. And then you just go like this. You're supposed to, I think if you go too hard, it will let you know that you're going too fast or pushing too hard. Yeah, so it's letting me know, so you just let the machine do the work, I guess. Feels good. Doing its job. And so this is quadrant one, and then it's gonna pause to let me know. Okay, so that double pause means I'm supposed to go to the next quadrant. And under the eyes, you're supposed to do like a circular motion, but under the eyes you're supposed to, not do the circular motion. So I'm gonna do this part of my face now, and my friend actually who told me about this is just calling me, so I will have to let her know I just used it, and it is just doing its thing. And then next, alright, now we go to the next quadrant. It feels good. Doesn't feel strange on my face, so we're gonna come down. Maybe going into the fourth quadrant too quickly. There you go, feels good, doesn't feel hot. And alright, so that's telling me to do the fourth quadrant. Oh, I'm going too fast. Alright, that's the fourth quadrant. I'm still learning this machine. If you're using it, I'm sure you're probably telling me I'm doing something wrong, so I know you're supposed to do these circular motions, and I'll get better at it. First time for a beginner. There we go, almost done with the fourth side. And that's it. But I might do a little bit more. I'm gonna probably just put a little bit more gel because I didn't get that fourth section properly. So I'm gonna turn it back on. I'm gonna go over it one more time because this is the first time using it. There you go. So I will put a link where you can get more information on the product. Let me know if you have any questions, if you're using it. Open to any suggestions. How do you like it? And there you go. Get underneath my eyes. And then when you're done, you could rinse both. Actually, I'll turn this off here for a second. So this top part comes off. So you can rinse this off, and then you can also rinse this off, pat dry it off, and then you're good to go. So there you go. Let me know what you think. Any questions you have, click on the link where you could check it out today. It seems like it's a really well-made, nice product, and looking forward to getting a lot of use out of it. All right, everybody, have a great day. Happy cleaning.